Well, good afternoon. Another engine to show you. This one is from Alex Finn. It's actually a SAM, S-A-M 100, 1cc, also dubbed, I think, the Centurion. SAM have collaborated with Alex and Alexandra Matushka in Ukraine, who actually made this engine. It's gives one or two nods to the Mills family, 75 and 1.3, so it's long stroke, side port, should be easy starting. Like most of Alex's engines, it's twin ball race, one in there, long stroke, screw on head, which is very convenient, Venturi on the back on the screws, also very convenient. I've given it one or two quick blasts and it's already under manners, as they say, but it would need a little more running in to bring it to fruition. How to market an engine. One gets lots of nice pictures, worth 1,000 words, and also a commemorative brochure with instructions, and would you believe, a draft test report from the well-known Maris Distlers. He would point out the very nice torque, maintenance of good torque all the way through the rev range. This puts out about 0.1 of a brake horsepower, something surprisingly similar to the average of the Mills 75 and 1.3. But it's a sweet little engine, and Alex certainly knows how to market these things. If I could just reach over here, Clive. The engine comes in a nice SAM box, Society of Antique Modelers. I think that's the models that are antique, not necessarily the modelers, but yeah, they are, most of them, getting on a bit. Serial number 48, and even, would you believe, some decals, and one side of the box, a certificate of provenance. This engine specially made for me, or somebody with a name a bit like mine. So I shall show this running as we do my other show and tells. It's a fitting end to Alex's operations in this country. He's off back down under, I believe, so good luck there, Alex. Bon voyage, and maybe you should get together with Fiery 1962 and make some epic videos. That would be really nice. So, thanks again and goodbye.